He looked beneath the sink. Not there. He looked...
Good evening, boys and girls. Tonight we have a special treat. Mr. Putter and Tabby stories, written by...
Mr. Putter and Tabby paint the porch. Chapter 1, The Porch. It was spring. Mr. Putter and Tabby clear the decks. Chapter 1, Itchy. It was summer and Mr. Putter and his fine cat Tabby were itchy. They were not itchy because of fleas. There was never a flea in Mr. Putter's house. They were itchy because they were bored.
The sky, one of them said, I wonder why.
Here is a story told in music about a small boy and a wolf. All the characters in this tale are represented by different orchestral instruments. For instance,